Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Laurynn Coa, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing with Nadula hair, and no, this video is not sponsored. I purchased this with my own money and I'm excited. This is my first time I actually gotten hair besides like braids. Like, I'm really excited. So that is why my hair looks crazy right now, because it's just blow dried. So yeah, let me unbox this. My camera might die and my appointment is at 12 o'clock and it's 9:57, so I guess that leaves me a little time to do my you know, unboxing. But like, maybe I should come back and do it, or just let it die. I don't know. It's blinking. It's gonna die though. But I'm excited. This is my first sewing, and I ordered this hair about it came really fast. But I ordered it to come here. And not at the dorm, because I was nervous. I didn't want it to get lost, so that's why I haven't done an unboxing yet. But might as well do an unboxing and then show you guys the install. And she's gonna bleach the knots, and then I'm gonna show you parts of her doing my actual hair, all in this one video, or it may be a part 2. So this is what the box looks like. Nice. I'm so excited. I really honestly didn't know what this was at first, because I ordered something else. I'm like, okay, but this is it. It comes in a small package. So this is the hair. I'm so excited. Okay, it has where to get like its social media. Sorry, I don't know if the light's too bright for you guys, but okay. So this is what it looks like when you first open the package. It comes obviously with the packing list, obviously, right? And then it comes with some mink. I don't know if it's mink or not. I just said mink. It comes with some eyelashes. I'm excited. I always wanted to get into eyelashes. And then the hair. I really wanted longer hair, but everyone was like, 20 inches will be really long on you. So honestly, I forget what lengths I got. Okay, so this is my hair. This is the hair. Okay. Alright. And this is the closure. I got a 3-part closure. Yeah, so I'll show you guys. I'm so excited, guys. I don't know what to do. This is my first hair ever, and it looks so pretty. I'm gonna take this one. Oh, I got an 18-inch. I got a 20-inch. That might be the longest I got, I think. And I got a 16-inch. And then I got a 14-inch closure. So yeah, I'm gonna take out, I guess, the one on top, which is the 16-inch. I don't know how she's gonna put it in my hair. I don't know if you put the longer up top, the middle, and then short one down here. I don't know how that goes. But here is the hair. Oh, it has a little rubber band on it. Okay. Ready? Okay, so hey guys, my camera died and it got my reaction a smidge, but here it is. This is the 16th, and this is the 16-inch bundle, and it's so soft. Like, low-key, when the camera died, I was playing with it. I can't help myself. so soft, and it smells really good. It smells like when I wash my cat Kyrie, it smells like after that, like him smelling so fresh and clean with that like cat shampoo, not the flea one that stinks, but like the good smelling one. Like it smells like that, which is a like nice fresh smell. So it doesn't stink. I love it a lot. So look at the bounce, like what? Y'all, I'm gonna be feeling myself. Like this is the first time I've gotten like hair, and like, and so I called my friend Olivia, and she told me that the bundles, so it goes the longest on the bottom and then shortest at the top, and I thought it was the opposite. So this hair is gonna be really long. So this is the 16-inch, and this is it at the top of my head. So this is where it will reach to. If okay, so the closure would be here, and then yeah, it would be like right here. So this is like almost touches my boob, but like extended, it would definitely touch my boob. And yeah, girl, I'm gonna be feeling myself. Like what? You said what? Where? You know how like girls, like we get our nails done and we're just like, yeah, so it's over there. That's how I'm gonna be. I'm like, it's that way. I'm so excited. So this is the 16-inch. It didn't come with a little net like the other ones I noticed in the bag. That's the 16-inch. This is the 18-inch. The 18-inch would probably be going, she said, the longest at the bottom. So this is would go in the middle of my head. Let me take it out of the bag because it has a net, I think. Wait, no, it doesn't have a net. Which one has a net? I guess only the 20-inch and the closure has a net. Oh, well, I'm not gonna take this out the bag. But this is the 18-inch, and it goes in the middle of my head. So reaching, it would probably like touch my boob or my under boob, like flat iron. And this is the 18-inch. Yes, honey. Yes, I'm so excited. And then we have the 20-inch. I'll take that out because it has net on it. I'm so excited to get my hair done. Yep, this one has a net, and there's like no like, you know, hair sticking out. But this is the 20-inch, and that goes at the bottom. Holy! Oh, that's gonna like touch my hip. Look how pretty the curl is, and then on the light, and mind you, the net is on it. Oh my god. It smells like my Kyrie. Yes, well, like in a good way, not a bad way. Girl, I'm gonna be like, who's you talking to? Let me hold my hair. Hold my hair back. Like, let me, like what? Like what? So like, yes. So man, this wave is so pretty. That's why I don't really want to take it out the bag, because I really want to preserve this wave, because I'm not sure how I would get this wave again. I would have to look on YouTube and see how to like curl it a certain way, because these to me are really elegant curls, nice and pretty. So 20-inch, and then the 18-inch. So it's like kind of like layers, and then, oh sorry, this is the 16-inch. I know that was a little jump. So 20-inch at the bottom, and then we have the 18 in the middle, and then we have the 16 at the top, the crown of my head. So look like this. And then let's get to the closure. The closure I got in a size 14. And I got a 3-part closure. I'll take this out the bag because it has a net. And the girl that's doing my hair said she'll dye the or bleach the knots. But I don't know. This might not need it. I mean, I wouldn't know. I never really dealt with hair. Oh, okay. So they put a little, I don't know if you can see. Like, you know the plastic things that be on clothes with the tags? That's what they put on a closure. I don't want to like work the closure. Trying. Got it. Ow, okay, this is the closure. This is the 3-part closure. So you have 1 part. But honestly, I don't think would she have to dye the edge or whatever it's called? Not the, you know, bleach the knots. I hope she does a good job. I know she will. I've seen her work before. But yes. So this is, girl, what? Who are you talking to? Like, oh gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is 14-inch. This is the closure. It has the net on it, so be mindful. Ooh, it looks really realistic. But yeah, this is the closure, and it goes about here. So like right to my neck, shoulder area, and then if I were to flat iron it, it'll go like probably right here. Yeah, and then let's do shedding, I guess, a shedding check. So let me run my fingers through it. That is so soft. I'm trying to do it dainty. I don't want to mess up the pattern. I'm like scared, but let's see. Oh girl, what? Ooh, okay. This is like so soft, like so soft. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, look at the like shininess. Look at my hair. Stop, girl. Who you talking to? Like what? I'm gonna be really pretty with this. I'm excited, but no shedding. I haven't. No shedding. That wasn't. See, no shedding. But wow, this is crazy. And this is what the top, if any of you guys hair gurus wanted to see. I don't really know much, but yeah, this is my hair review, and I love it. I'm so excited. It smells just like Kyrie. After he gets out the shower, like I cuddle with him. Okay, and then yeah, so this is all the things that I got from there. So stay tuned, either this video or I'll post another video of me getting my hair done, installed. So stay tuned. Yes, Nadula, you did your thing. What? Stop. What? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, what is this one? Uh-oh. This one's the 16 because it didn't have the net. But this is the 18. My hair's gonna be so long. Low key, my sister's real hair is this long. Well, high key. She like didn't put heat on her head for like 2 years, and her hair is this long. I'm like, girl, how do you do it? I couldn't do it. But yes. Yeah, oh my god, look how pretty it is against the green. Y'all, I'm so excited to get this installed. Okay, alright, I'm going to see you guys later. I don't want to stop playing with it. I'm like stalling to end this video or like go to the next scene. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know. Oh my god, pretty. Okay guys, I'm obsessing over it. And remember, no, this isn't sponsored. This is just me. Like, I'm so excited, like so excited. I got this hair a long time ago, and I just now been able to get it because I was in college, or am in college, but I'm on fall break. So I'm gonna come back like new hair, new beach. you know. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna end this video because I'm just so excited. Okay, I'll guys see you later. If not, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video, part 2. If not, it will be in the next scene. All right, see you. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's me. I'm at Kaitlin's house. Hey. And she's gonna be installing the hair, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be my first time ever getting like hair before, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn out. But yeah, so just stay tuned and watch her install it, I guess. Okay. So she's about to bleach the knots of the closure, so. How did you learn to do all of this stuff?
Through YouTube.
Hey.
Right. I really just watched how-to videos when I was younger. And I always wanted to do it, so I was like, I want to do it myself. The first time, it was crazy. Then after that, it was getting better and better.
That's good. Yeah, I want to learn how to like do this stuff too.
Yeah, it's pretty easy though, for the most part. Only thing that's hard about doing sewing is the braids, so you don't have to braid.
Oh, yeah, that's me. I'm that person. And then my mom knows how to braid. She just refuses to do it. I'm like, come on.
Just braid my hair.
Right, exactly. So, like, how did you learn how to braid? Did you just, like, keep practicing?
Yeah, pretty much. I practiced on myself, and then I started practicing on, like, my friends and stuff.
Yeah, that's good.
But pretty much, when you bleach a closure, though, you want to make sure the bleach is, like, really thick. Because if it's not, it's going to be crazy.
Okay. Because I'm like, I heard about bleaching. I'm like, do you use, like, actual bleach? Like, how does it work?
No, that was all bad.
Oh, gosh.
They use powdered hair bleach. I thought that, too, when I first. I was like, so y'all using bleach?
Right.
I lightly do it because I don't want it to press into the hair.
So, tell them about your new hair company you're starting.
You know, it's our new hair company or whatever. It should be out soon. It's going to be called thekaybeautyy.
Hey.
Follow it, you know.
Hey. Check it out.
Check it out.
It'll be linked below.
Yes. I don't know when I will start it because I'm still waiting on the investors to send me the money. So I can start it, you know. But other than that, it's coming soon. I'm going to be selling lashes too.
Hey, turn up.
Some mink lashes. Hey. They're real cute.
I want to get into lashes too.
Yeah.
I think those are really pretty.
I want to wear like individuals, like you know that people charge like $200 for. I don't want to get into it, but like too much money.
Right.
Just little black knots.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I see what they mean now.
It look like wigs, but
Alright, so it's bleaching right now. Okay guys, she just got done braiding. Now she's putting the wig cap on. And I guess the next part is to sew the hair down, I guess. Yep. this is the finished product. I think I look completely different with hair, like, because my face is so small. And then the lights the lights went out at the end. But this is the final look. Okay, the camera died when I was giving a shout out to Kaitlin. So everyone go down in the description box below and follow Kaitlin because she did my hair. And this is the final look. Her power went out when she was curling my hair, so this is like the only like curl that stayed. But other than that, this is the hair. So it's the front side, and this is the back. It's the other side. And this is a 20-inch, 18-inch, 16-inch, and 14-inch closer. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.